Hello, welcome to Fly Graphics. Today we're gonna learn how to create animated text GIF on Photoshop CS6. Okay, let's get started. Um, I already have my blank page open, but let's start from the beginning. You click on File, click on New, then you select the size you want to use to create this GIF. I'm gonna use 400 by 400 pixels. Let's name it cs6 Go. Okay, now you decide if you want to use a white background or black background because like I have automatically have white background right now. So I'm gonna use the white background, but I want to do something like this. I want to make it different background changing, then different text changing. Now let's say the text I'm gonna use is Thank God it's Friday. That's TGIF. No, all of you like Thank God it's Friday, huh? You know that. Okay, let me increase my text. You can see I clicked on the text tab to create my text in case if you don't know that. Right, let me make it black. Let me increase the text more a little bit. Okay, now you want to make Thank God it's Friday, give a very cool one. Maybe you want to use it on Tumblr or any social media that allows GIF, and you want to make it sparkle or blank or change colors. Now to create a GIF, you have to click on. I already have my GIF tab open anyway, so let me just show you how to get it. You click on Window and you click on Timeline. You can see Window, Timeline. You see. So now I'm gonna change the color of the text. So I'm gonna have to duplicate it. And to duplicate it, you click on your keypad, Control J. You duplicate as many as you want. Now let's say I want to use 4 different colors of this text. So I will click another Control J and another Control J. And I want to use 2 different color backgrounds. I already have a white, so I'm gonna have to create another background. So I click on the rectangle, 2, I click, I drag, and I have a black, but I don't want to use a black. I'm gonna use, let me use a red instead. So now I'm done. I'm gonna have to drag this and bring it back so the text will be showing. There's a shortcut to use that too. Um, let me show you the shortcut. You tap your control key and you press this. This is the tab you press on your keyboard. I don't know what to name it. This. Your control key and you tap this on your keyboard and it brings the text down. Let me do it and you see. I'm tapping it right now and my text is up here. If you tap the forward one to bring your text upward, you tap the one that's showing the other way. That is this one. Sorry about that. That is this one. You tap this one, it takes it up. That is control and this key, and you see it's going up. Yeah. So I wasn't gonna use that to do anything. I'm just showing the key and the shortcut. Or you could just drag it and place it where you want to. But I like using the shortcut. It's like faster for me because I just like using shortcut. Okay, now it's time to change the game. As you can see, I have my layers. These are my layers, and if you look beside the text on your layers, you see something like an eye. I'm gonna like unclick them all and leave just the first one because I want to change the color. Now I want to use black for the first text, so I'm gonna take that one off and click on the second one. Then, ta-da! Okay, now I want to change it to white. Okay, now I'm gonna unclick it and click on the third one. Click. Now the shortcut to like select your text, you press Ctrl A. Yeah. Then I go to my color tab and I change it to, let me use some yellow. Now I click it. I click the other one. Click on the text to highlight the text. Ctrl A to highlight the whole text, and now change the color to, what am I changing it to now? Let me change it to red. Yeah, let me change it to red because I'm not gonna use a red background on it, so don't worry about it. Okay, now we're almost ready. Okay, now let me show you something about the GIF. This right here, you can see my mouse moving where it says timeline. You click on below where it says second. That's where you select how long you want a particular text to display before it goes to the other line. So I'm gonna make this 0.5 seconds. Now I'm gonna start my GIF with the white background. So a white background with the black text. Then I click on the next one. Then you see, when I click on the next one, now this is the first slide and this is the second slide. Now I have to make difference so that when I play it, you see it's actually playing right now, but they're the same, but it doesn't look like it's a GIF. So on the second slide, I unclick the white background and click the red background and unclick the black text and click the white text. Now you see a difference. So let me play it and you see. You see it? Okay, now let me continue. I add another tab. I unclick the red background and click the white background and change my text. I'm gonna use the red text so it makes sense. And change my text. Now the fourth one I need, I'm gonna use the red and change my text. So easy. Now you have to look here. You want to decide like, okay, I want this GIF to play forever, like continuously without stopping, or you want it to play for 3 times or once or other. You select how many times you want it to play for. Let me do that again. Right below here, you click on it. You see if you want it to play for. I always like it playing forever, so that's like more cool. So let's play our GIF. You see it? You see it? Is it a cool? Okay. Now we can actually make this like annoying by clicking that 0.1 seconds. This one is really annoying because of the color of the background, you know. So let's do that and play. See that? I call it the annoying GIF. Okay then, let's use this one, the annoying GIF. I'm not trying to get you now. You've been watching Fly Graphics channel. Now one thing about GIF is how you save it. You know, some people don't know how to save it. That's what they have problem at. So to save a GIF, you click on File and you click on Save Image as, Save for Web. You know, you usually click Save As, and when you click Save As, you're not trying to save a GIF. You're trying to save like a JPEG, a bitmap, or stuff like that. You know, but when you want to save a GIF, you use the Save for Web. You click on Save for Web, then it takes you to another pop-up. We're gonna wait for my computer's a bit slow. Okay, here we go. Takes you another pop-up. Now, as you can see, this is where you do like the last settings before you save it. You know, like maybe you want to reduce the quality of the GIF because maybe you need to reduce the quality of the GIF so that you have a lower space for the GIF. Then you could like use the colors and you reduce it, or you use the lossy. I usually use this because it's like this is so fast.